Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locating the stiffness and rating it on a 0-10 scale so you know how aggressive to be. Begin with a 5-10-minute warm-up. This raises tissue temperature and reduces injury risk. Move joint through a comfortable range, not to pain, and focus on breathing. Once done, perform 1-2 minutes of gentle active movements for the area to mobilize fluid and neural input. Make sure to keep posture neutral and support nearby joints while you initiate the process. Now you apply targeted release and controlled strengthening to change the tissue behavior. Use a foam roller or lacrosse ball for 30-60 seconds on tight spots, moderate pressure. Stop if sharp pain occurs. Transition to static stretches held 20-30 seconds, then perform active movement patterns for 8-12 reps to retrain the nervous system. Once comfortable, add light resistance exercises for 2-3 sets to build strength through the new range. This combination prevents recurrence and restores functional control. Finish the session with a 5-minute cool-down of gentle mobility and deep diaphragmatic breathing to normalize nervous system tone. Apply ice 10-15 minutes for any new swelling or low-grade heat for persistent chronic tightness to improve circulation. Make sure to rehydrate and note changes in range and pain. If stiffness, sharp pain, or swelling persists beyond 72 hours despite these steps, consult a clinician. That troubleshooting check helps catch problems that manual methods.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.